Morning.
Good morning.
So today we're going to do a bit of a different video and take you along with us so you can see what we spend in one day as a couple here in Bali.
Yay.
She's keen, she's just woken up, so give her a bit of time.
Should I have a shower?
So today our routine's a bit messed up because Jodie's broken her nail, so she has to get that fixed at about 10 o'clock. Normally we go to the gym at about 7:30 in the morning and then finish up, come back, have a shower, then go to our working space, 3-4 hours there. It's not going to happen today. Everything's going to be pushed back. We promise we're not slackers. That rooster, oh, Jodie can sleep through it, but I'm just up and I cannot sleep. So we don't do this every day, but we're about to get our laundry done. We normally have about 5 kilos. Should be around $4.50 maybe.
Oh my god, I love this.
Hello.
Hello.
Just 2 more, thank you. Beautiful. So that was 5 kilos, so $7.50 Australian. We don't pay for it today. When we pick it up tomorrow, we'll get charged for it. But we'll add it on today. So I give you this little ticket with your weight. So we walk every morning 1.2 kilometers to the gym and then another 1k to our workspace. We can get a moped for about $250 Australian dollars a month.
I'm too scared.
She's not a fan of it. Everything's really close here, so there's no point really. She had a mental breakdown. She had a mental breakdown on the back of one when we first landed in Canggu, or when we were staying there.
It was pretty bad. I would never drive in Bali, ever.
Yeah, it is pretty hectic. It's not too hectic in Sanur.
No, I'll get in a car, or I'll get on the back of a moped, but I would never drive one.
Our friend's got a little car here. It feels much safer in that. It's just another way not to end up on a GoFundMe page as well.
I swear that was the dog we looked after.
I have to deal with this every day. So every time a car comes by, if another car comes the opposite way, there's just a massive traffic jam. I don't know how these drivers do it every day. That's been buzzing, making the weirdest sound for about 5 days straight now.
Yeah, I know. It's gonna explode. Touch wood, it does not. They literally just ignore it in hopes that it does not explode.
So one of the locals told us yesterday that 60% of the dogs here are likely to have rabies. So Jodie stopped touching him so often, haven't you?
Yeah, trying to hold off, although it's really hard because they're so cute. No idea. Well, thank you so much.
So that coffee was $4.70. It's on the pricier side for Sanur, but she's happy.
If this was you, you'd be good mental.
This is where she gets the nails done.
I can't have this. It's spilling everywhere.
So many people told me that Sanur was so dirty and it's really bad. You don't see one piece of rubbish. The streets have gotten so much better, or well looked after. She's got me. I walk past her every day before the gym. She's finally got me. I reckon the turtle there. She'll like that, yeah.
This one.
Yeah, that one there. How much for this one?
And something else?
Just this one for now.
And how about singlet for you? Nice singlet.
Oh, I don't need. I have too many singlets.
I show you the billabong.
She's got me. They're not bad, are they? Nice little Adidas gym pants. Or not sure about that.
No.
So normally you'd probably pay 50,000 for this.
This one?
I give you 100
Yeah.
for good luck.
Normal 100, only the pen.
$10. Just got in her photo. Oops. So that woman always tries to get me in her shop. She's tried at least 15 times. So I finally went in there and I bought some shorts and a bracelet for Jody. Keep her happy. Hello.
Hello, boss.
So we're almost at our favourite working space. Jody's nails cost 70,000, so about $7 then to get a big toenail replaced. It was my fault that it split apparently. So yeah, we'll show you our favourite spot.
Like, how much is it going to cost me to get to the airport? I told her where we sit and everything.
Hello. It's right there. Jody's happy. Why are you so happy?
Because I just signed on a new client.
They're stopping for me.
Oh wait, so now you're happy enough to record? Just woke him up.
Hey.
He's still sleeping.
Oh, hello. The guy had a washing machine on his back, I think, or a dryer, one of them. This warung is like a pizza style. Look at the prices. So right near our villa, these guys have been working on building a new one. They work day and night, so I'm going to buy them a carton next week, I think. So in the last 2 hours of being at the villa, I've come down with Bali belly. We're meant to be going out for lunch with our friends now, so we'll see how this goes. So this is the first time in 3 hours that I've been off the toilet for longer than 10 minutes. That's what you get over here sometimes.
That's all. Thank you.
Thank you.
Does anyone else do this? So good.
So we've called it quits early. I need to get to the toilet. We had rice and beef. Well, I had rice and beef. And Jody had
A margarita pizza, and then I had fries with a milkshake that I dipped the fries in.
What have we got there?
Pad Thai.
And spring rolls.
And spring rolls.
So today we spent a total of, which isn't too bad, seeing we ate out most of the day, got our laundry done.
Nails.
Nails, I bought some little things from the shops which you don't do every day.
True.
Next video will be if you're on a budget.
You want to save, or you come here with not that much money, which is fine.